Hi, I'm Eva Sbaraini, a mixed media artist based in London. My art practice blends both digital and analogue techniques, utilising processes such as 3D printing, 3D scanning, and digital modelling. Working digitally provides immense flexibility in terms of scale, prototyping, and experimentation for the final physical output. My creative practice often begins with a 3D scanning shoot at the home of the person I'm creating a portrait around. I capture them, their surroundings, and any objects that they wish to include within the portrait. I refer to this as expanded portraiture because the body of work I create is never just a singular image. It encompasses a variety of elements, both sculptural and two-dimensional. I love the idea of expansion. It gives the elements within the work room to breathe and the viewer's space to explore them. Technical exploration is a significant part of my practice. I conduct extensive testing and trials, both digitally in ZBrush with the 3D scan data and with the physical objects themselves. This can include casting, airbrushing, and 3D print tests. Alongside this, I design plinths and carefully consider the lighting and layout within the exhibition space itself. Attention to detail is crucial to me. It honours the people within the work. Working primarily with the LGBTQ+ community is important and of interest to me because our identities are constantly shifting, evolving, being questioned, erased, and reborn. My intention is for these expanded portraits to serve as a sort of time capsule, honouring, savouring, and celebrating the people held within them.